Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss with you how to hire the best e-commerce development company. Tip to choose e-commerce development company. Each physical retailer from a little to substantial is endeavoring to have an online nearness with an internet business site. As the quantity of online business players develops, so does the quantity of web-based business improvement organizations. Picking the privileged online business innovation accomplice is bit troublesome considering the quantity of choices before you will be settled on the basic leadership process straightforward with these 7 key checkpoints to choose an e-commerce development company. First, reviews and testimonial. Second, portfolio. Third, profiles of developers. Fourth, cost proposal. Fifth, time to market. Sixth, communication. Seventh, free support. Review and testimonials. The initial phase is choosing an organization for your web based business. Improvement venture is to check for the organizations, survey on the web, or check their tributes. This progression will approve the organization believability and enable you to comprehend the organization from their past customers' point of view. You can check StoryMart audits and rating. On StoryMart survey page, you can likewise check more web-based business, web improvement, testimonial, our tribute pages. Portfolio. After you approve the organization billability, the following stage is to approve their past involvement in your objective section. Suppose you have to dispatch your shirt offering site. Check for their past involvement in the attire and fashion section. In the event that your thought is one of a kind, check encounter which is near your thought. Observing their portfolio will enable you to evaluate their significant experience, and furthermore, check if their outline design is coordinating with your vision or taste. Profiles of developers. Your involvement with the organization depends generally on the individual you will work with, regardless of the organization's validity. In this way, ask for the organization to give the rundown of engineers and architects' wills, identify chipping away at your ventures, and approve their profiles and ensure it suits with your task necessity. Additionally, on the off chances that you have to specialize learning, you can pose couple of specialized inquiries to approve their experience and abilities. The group you select ought to comprehend your targets. However, it may be have clarified by their group pioneer. It's great to hear specifically from the street's mouth. You would prefer not to choose designer who do precisely as you say. They ought to likewise share important contribution for your task. Cost proposal. Talk about the cost of your internet business advancement venture with the firm and ensure it's inside your financial plan. Demand them to give a breakdown of the estimating, for example, valuing by plan, database setup, server administration and improvement. Contrast the estimating and couple of more merchants and select the seller who matches with every one of your criteria, for example, validity, experience, and evaluating. Time to market. Time, money. You would prefer not to sit tight for a year to get your task finished. An expert firm can actualize your undertaking moderately, rapidly, yet with a dependable quality, as it will have many experienced engineer to help your task. A decent group is basic to dispatch a bug-free site and decrease advancement time. Request an announcement of work to comprehend the venture-related assignments and the course of events to convey them. This will help you to streamline your task and finish the venture on time. Task expansions will likewise promote an accent being developed cost. Communication. Amid the assessment procedure, approve your innovation, accomplish relational abilities, and the medium of correspondence. Individual gathering would not generally go so planned, so approve on the top of chance and that they additionally offer a substitute channel of correspondence. For example, Skype Talk or Google Home Base for a fast visit. Keep in mind, a key individual from the advancement group must accessible amid your working hours, or at least cover a couple of hours amid your working day. Effectively exhibit on a talk career. Poor corresponding is an entryway venture to a task disappointment, so guarantee that correspondence is the best quality with your organization. Feature support. The firm you select ought to have the capacity to give benefit to after your dispatch and go live. You may require booster for server administration or computerized promoting once the site is propelled, and it's great to have an across the board organization for these necessities. You would prefer not to deal with numerous sellers and touch focuses to deal with your online business site. Rather, you need have to capacity to concentrate on augmenting benefit. Having a solitary sale to deal with all these is an aid for your business, as it will listen to operational bothers, contract of firm whose involvement in taking care of all your present and future needs and give you superior rate of interest on your opportunity and cash. We seek you have discovered these tips after contacting reasonable e-commerce website development company. StoryMart is a full benefit e-commerce development firm which handles all parts of an online business. For example, design, development, marketing, and server support. Get in touch with us, book a free discussion with our web-based business designers. Read more about how to hire best e-commerce development company. So contact us today for e-commerce website development. Visit our website, which is www.storymart.com, and you can mail us at info@storymart.com.